very good morning. Uh, First of all, I want to thank God for giving us this wonderful time. My humble respect to all the judges and to all the holding. Well, my name is Zivesuro, the pianist with Sololahe, representing Bethlehem. The title of our song is Let Them See You in Me. I hope you enjoy. Take away the melodies, take away the song I sing, take away all the light, all the song you let me write. Doesn't mean I am today. Say the word you need to say. Let them see you and me. Let them hear you when I speak. Let them feel you when I sing. Let them see you. Just let them see you in me. Who am I without your grace? Another smile, another faith, another breath, a grain of sand, passing freely through your hand. Give my life an offering. Take it all, take everything. Let them see you. Let them see you and me. Let them hear you when I speak. Let them feel you when I sing. Let them see you. Oh, let them feel you when I sing. Let them hear you when I speak. Let them feel you when I sing. Let them see you. Just let them see you in me. Just let